Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Special welcome to new subscribers and welcome back to my regular viewers. So in this video, we'll be doing a freestyle set that my client asked me to do whatever I wanted, and she just gave me a theme of the color that she was interested in. So we did the prep work as we're doing now. Push back the cuticle, remove the dead cuticle on the nail with my taper and diamond bit. Now I'm etching the nail to remove the shine from the nail and not to damage the client's nails, but just to remove the sheen or the shine from the nail. Afterwards, I apply the tips, which I applied already. Now I'm dehydrating the nail before I prime the nail. So I dehydrate, remove any excess oil from the nail, and now I'm using my primer, and I give my clients 2 coats of primer for great adhesion from the acrylic. So 2 coats of primer. So this pink is a custom mix pink. I can tell you what I put in it. I put everything that looks like light pink to pink, but not too bright a pink, and then mix to get it at a certain tone. So I test as I go along to make sure the pink is what I want. So this is a custom mix color, which goes well with her color in mind. So continue watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you think of the video or the design, and I'll try my best to post the products I used in the video in the description box below, so you can see what I use. I'm trying these days to cover all of that in every video that I make, to post the products I use. I don't have any link to the products that I use, but I can tell you where I get them, if I remember correctly. Yeah, where I got them, so you can check it out. Some things are from Instagram and some are from Amazon or the company's website if they have one. So I'll try to put the products that I use and where I got them from in the description below. So continue watching, guys. So I'm doing a marble look with gold foil with the same pink acrylic, and then gold foil into the design, and then encapsulate it with clear acrylic. And she loved the design. She was so in love with her set. So subscribe, guys, and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Don't forget, do so right now. Keep on watching. Anything you want to know about, leave in the comment section below. Tell me what you think of the video. set technique. I do acrylic. I'm trying to create a pattern, but it's not working. I go with the feeling at that time when I'm doing a set. But I'm trying though, guys. I'm trying to create a pattern to show you that I do this exact step every single time when I apply acrylics. I'm trying to do something like that, but I don't know. Yeah, you have to work with me. But it gets me the same result in the end. That's a good thing. But sometimes not the same way I do every single set. So they're encapsulated with clear, and I am in love with Clear Sky EMA Monomer. Guys, it was awesome using that Monomer liquid, and I use it with different powders, and my goodness, it was the bomb. Like, it was what I'm looking for so long. I decided to give it a try. I think I bought it on Amazon. We can go to their website on Clear Sky. But wow, I love their liquid. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm never going back to anything else. I used to use my secret liquid, but I'm trying this for the first time, Clear Sky, and I'm in love with it, guys. I am super in love with the Clear Sky liquid. Oh boy, what else can I be in love with from them? I need to go find out. But yeah, I am super. It's my first ever Clear Sky product that I ever bought, and I am so in love with the liquid. It does awesome. It's awesome. So that's a recommendation, guys. If you want to try a liquid, Clear Sky liquid is awesome. Liquid monomer. It's so awesome. I love it. So after application, we're going to go file. Go to the filing thing. Using my hand file, and that's an 80 grit file that I use for shaping. My 80 grit file. It works well for shaping and for etching the nail. So I use it first before I even use my 180 grit hand file as well to smooth the nail and the cuticle area with my next hand file. But I'll be using the gel in the same size bit, tapered 4x bit from Pana. Over there, I'm going to put that in the description box below. I tend to forget about gel details, but I bought it on Amazon. Pana. Is that my brush? Is that Pana brush? Number 8. So if I forget to put it in the description box below, I'm telling you guys no. I use Pana gel bit for taking out acrylic and smoothing the surface of the nail, and my brush is Pana number 8. So there is the drill. It's a tapered drill bit. So on my drill, I don't think it has any name I can recall, but it's on Amazon too that I bought it, my drill. I bought most of from Amazon. Yeah, so Amazon is where I got my drill and my drill bit, and it's working so far. Drills, if you don't get a very good one, the ones that you buy will not last you. Probably last you a year. I'm not sure if it lasts you 2 years, but probably a year. But I'm hoping it lasts me more than a year. So I'm enjoying my drill bit. This is my go-to drill bit these days. I go to nothing else but this drill bit. It does what I want it to do without damaging the client's nail. And yeah, it works well. So it's Pana tapered bit. So that's an idea of what to look for. It works well. I enjoy using it. It almost have a smooth edge almost, where it doesn't damage the client's nail, or you can bring it as close to the cuticle without affecting drill bit, like the tapered also diamond bit for the prep work. So continue watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends, and tell them to come on over and watch nail videos with you and see what you're seeing, and like and comment what you like about it and stuff like that. And my videos are, most of them is sped up because it is too long to put on YouTube, and I don't think you should put it on YouTube for so long. So I make it as quick and nice. So up to you. Use the drill. I turn the client's hand the other direction to see the tips, if they're straight, if they're neat, from the client's angle, to see how well it is and anything needs to be done about it. And then I'm going to ask the client to wash their hands and then apply the top coat after buffing block. So now is our top coat process. And you know my favorite top coat is Picasso Powder's top coat. It's quite shiny. I love it. So it's my favorite top coat. And it does the work. Keep the nails oh so shiny.